What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Milady Memecoin fam. I am back with another video for you guys, another update video on ladies, man. In this video we're gonna dive into, man, if you hold like 1 billion to 10 billion ladies, what kind of upside you could see with those type of that type of holdings, right? Ladies recently had a nice little move up, you know. After the move up, it's on a retrace right now, but after the retrace, you know, after you know, obviously it's not going to be up forever. Had a bit of a move up, then it had a bit of a retrace, but it looks like it's going to hold around, like I said, that 20 mil market cap level, man, back down to 23 million. It looks like it's going to start an uptrend, hopefully. Remember, guys, this is a meme coin, so don't break the bank on it, please, because you never know what can happen with meme coins, man. So, you know, never invest more than you're willing to lose into any crypto asset, guys. Always be sure to manage your risk, right? And if you hold Milady Memecoin, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. So right now we're sitting at $22.7 million in market cap for ladies, volume at $9.8 million in volume. And again, I showed you guys in the last video that the tokenomics that are represented here on CoinMarketCap are actually inaccurate. Okay, if you go to CoinGecko, right, you look at the Milady coin, meme coin, you take a look, you see that it's actually full supplies out on ladies. Yeah, it's at 888 trillion tokens, coins circulating, fully in, you know, supply. So the market cap and the fully diluted market cap are basically the same, right? And that's great to see. Like in the, you know, what happened recently with Pepe, guys. You guys saw what happened with Pepe. The team had around like $15-16 million worth of Pepe, and they still have another 10 million. So a total of $26 million worth of Pepe. And out of the 50 million that were meant for exchanges, they had issues with the other team members, multi-sig, where they had like to make signatures of what to do with the tokens. And, you know, like 4 out of the 6 people or 3 out of the 5 people, something like that, signed to take the money from the coins that were meant for the exchanges, take those coins, send them to the exchanges, $50 million worth, and liquidate on the investors of Pepe, right? Not the same thing here with ladies. The full supply is out, so there's not any more tokens from whoever created the Milady Memecoin contract, or, you know, deployed it, whoever it's responsible for it. Can't add any more tokens to supply or anything like that. Can't add any more tokens to the open market to dilute the price even further. The full supply is out, and that's always gonna be it, right? Which is great to see. And if you take a look at let's see, Etherscan, for example. Let's take a look at Etherscan for Miladies real quick, guys. Give me a second. Wait, I think there's a way for you to just click through. Oh yeah, from CMC. There we go. Etherscan for ladies. You can see we are at 15,600 holders, which is very bullish. Great wallet distribution. Like the Milady Memecoin has more holders than some altcoins that I know of, right? Some altcoins with utility, Milady has more holders than some altcoins that I know of with utility, right? As you guys can see here, there's no particular wallets that are meant for centralized exchanges, so the wallet distribution is pretty good. Majority of the top wallets, see right here, crypto.com got a big bag. Crypto, two of the it's the biggest wallets in Milady's are you know, the centralized exchanges, right? Huobi, crypto.com got 10% of the supply. Jeez, who at crypto.com is bullish on ladies, man? This wallet right here, I was always trying to figure out what is this wallet, you know, but I think it's another exchange wallet because it's worth, it got $1 billion in net worth. So I think it's another exchange wallet, but it's not, you know, titled as an exchange. I don't know which exchange it is though, right? Whatever this top wallet is, it got $1 billion in net worth, man, right? That's absolutely insane. What wallet is this? I've always wondered. Is it? It got to be an exchange wallet. Who holds this 18% of the Milady supply? It got to be an exchange wallet, but I don't know which exchange it is, right? So the biggest holders in Milady's aren't even like us as the people that hold it as retail. It's exchanges. And crypto.com. Crypto.com got 10% of the supply. Gate.io got 8.6%, just chilling. That is insane, man. That is crazy to think about, man. And that's what I'm saying, man. Maybe crypto.com is thinking, yo, this could be big. That's why they bought so much. They're probably like, yo, this could be big, man. This could be very big. So same with Gate.io, right? That's probably why they bought so much, man. And this is why I say if you got like a billion ladies, 10 billion, I think 10 billion is the perfect bag to have. Nothing too crazy. You won't break the bank buying 10 billion, which is around $300. Now, obviously, you could go for the potential home run and invest $1,000 for the 100x, but I wouldn't personally tell you guys to invest that much into a meme coin, right? Now, if it was more established, why not, right? But obviously nothing I say is financial advice. So if something does go wrong with ladies, 10 billion bag is only $300. You never know how far that could go, right? And again, like I said, I think 100x from here for ladies is possible. $30,000 to $50,000 from $300 invested. Could it happen? Who knows what could happen in the bull run, man? Crypto.com clearly bullish on ladies. They got 10% of the supply. And whatever this wallet is, it can't be a regular person. Like, it can't be a regular person that got like $1 billion in net worth, right? This is like 1.41. Whatever this wallet is has 18% of the supply, and it's $1 billion in supply. $1 billion, and it got like Shiba, Crow. Maybe it's crypto.com. Maybe it's another wallet up from crypto.com that is it's not stating that it's crypto.com though, right? Maybe that's the case. Maybe it's another wallet from crypto.com, but it's not stating that it's crypto.com. Interesting, right? Maybe, man. But yeah, 1 billion. So basically, if you think about it, how much of this supply is not? I mean, obviously, it's owned by the exchanges, so you can't say, well, it's not in circulation, right? But this is some crazy numbers to think about, man. I never actually took a look at the Etherscan for Milady's, but you could basically say around 40%, because I didn't include the points. 40% of the supply is on exchanges. is owned by exchanges for Milady Memecoin, right? That is actually very bullish, right? And I don't think, like for example, Mexi be dumping tokens when they buy it, right? They be dumping the tokens. I don't think crypto.com, Gate.io, and I think this probably is another crypto.com wallet, but it's not labeled crypto.com. I don't think they're gonna be dumping the tokens back onto into like the open market. They're just gonna keep their holdings, right? So that is actually pretty good to think about, man. So majority of the supply, 40% of the supply is like held in the exchanges, which is actually very bullish for Milady's, man. That's why I say it's probably gonna hold up pretty well going into the next bull cycle, man. That would be potentially the reason why. Now, that's why I say they have to keep the crypto.com listing. If they lose that listing, I'm gonna be bearish, right? But as long as it stays on crypto.com and the investors of crypto.com have access to it, I think it's gonna do pretty good in the bull cycle, man. As you see right here, crypto.com, $310,000 in 24-hour trade volume for ladies, guys. Absolutely bullish stuff to see, right? And like I said, man, 10 billion is a great bag to have, because right now we're at 22.7 million in market cap. If you bought at the 20 mil market cap range, 100x, that gives you $2 billion in market cap, man. And who knows, man, crypto.com might start buying up an even bigger bag in the future going into the bull market, man, because the supply that they have might get bought up by a ton of people whenever the bull run is back, right? And they may have to buy more to supply people to continue to buy it, you know. But yeah, guys, that's actually very bullish. This is why you always look at Etherscan and all these things, man. 40% of the supply is owned by exchanges, Gate.io and crypto.com, because this first wallet, the biggest holder right here, is another exchange wallet. I don't think this is just a regular person with a I don't think this is just a regular person with $1 billion. It can't be a regular person with $1 billion right here. So this is definitely probably Crow, because look at here, Dogecoin, Chronos chain is the third biggest holder next to Shiba. This is probably the Crow wallet. Yeah, this is more than likely another crypto.com wallet, man. They are bullish on crypto.com is bullish on this project. They bought up so much of the supply. Guys, that is crazy to think. They are bullish on ladies, man. They are bullish on Milady Memecoin. They know something that we don't. They probably might send this in the bull cycle, man. This might be the meme coin that, you know, crypto.com is thinking, hey, just like how Shiba Inu is their second biggest holding. And I saw a lot of people making that an issue with crypto.com in the past, that Shiba Inu was like one of their biggest holdings, right? I think they probably see the potential of ladies and like, man, this meme coin right here could bring in a lot of new people to our exchange, so we better buy a ton of it. Right? Just under the amount of Pepe that they hold too, just a little bit under, right? Insane to think about, man. Wow. And you see they have a nice big bag of Dogecoin Mars as well. This has to be the crypto.com wallet, but it doesn't show the name on on Etherscan. Two big wallets of Miladies from crypto.com. Guys, this was an actual, I didn't plan to uncover this, you know, when I started the video, but here we are. Milady Memecoin fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This just proves to me my thesis that crypto.com is bullish on this project, and the crypto.com investors more than likely are going to be the reason why it sends in the bull run, when more and more new people come into crypto.com, right, and use the exchange. A lot of US users, they're going to be like, whoa, a new meme coin, you know. And we already know new projects that's never seen a bull run outperform old projects, right? So for example, Dogecoin Mars, it could probably do good in the bull run, but I think ladies could do even better, in my opinion. So if you're tuning in, thank y'all so much for tuning in, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.